So I got the Flight, which is where you can try like any four flavors of cobbler or banana pudding. In like mini sizes that you see here. So what I got was a honey apple cobbler, blackberry cobbler. I got that one for mommy. Peach cobbler. I don't really like peach cobbler, but I wanted to try and see if this was any better than like ones I've had in the past. And a classic banana pudding. And I also got an apple butter cinnamon roll. Why is it glitching like that? So, yeah. Now we're going to taste them. I'm not going to taste the blackberry one, though. I'm going to let my mama taste that one. I'll let you know what she thought of that. So first, we're going to go ahead and try the apple butter cinnamon roll. It smells really good. So what it is like a regular classic cinnamon roll with like vanilla frosting, and then it's drizzled with apple butter. Look at that. That's really good. And it's still kind of warm. I do live a little bit away, but that's really good. I would definitely get that again. Probably should have got some water. Let's stick with the apple before we switch flavors. I'm gonna go get some water in between these. So this is the honey apple cobbler. And this is the size they are. I believe they're 4 ounces. My bad, y'all. Smelling food on camera. It's a thing sometimes. It depends on what it is. But yeah, here we go. I like this too. It's like crumbled up apple pie. They have a caramel apple one. I'm not a huge fan of like the whole caramel apple thing. So I figured this was the safest thing. I don't really taste the honey, which is not a problem for me. I'd rather just taste the apple. So another good one. Let's get some water. Then we're gonna try the peach one. My phone just did something stupid, but I tried the blackberry and the peach. Like I said before, I don't really like peach cobbler, so I was just trying out to see if I would like this better. Did not change my mind. No shade to them or their peach cobbler. I don't even like the smell of peaches, so yeah. So I'm gonna give that to my daddy. It tastes like typical peach cobbler. The peach cobblers I've tasted, so it's probably a good peach cobbler to those who like peach cobbler. Tasted the blackberry. Not my favorite, but it's not my favorite in general. Like, it tasted good, and it tastes like something my mama's gonna like, because she loves things like this. So yeah. So now, before something else weird happens, I'm gonna taste the banana pudding. Oh my Lord. It's pretty good. I would get it again. Definitely. So yeah, overall pretty good. I think they got a good thing going over there. I'll definitely be back, if not only for the cinnamon roll itself. That alone was worth it. So yeah, I'll probably just stick to flavors that I know that I like, which is apple, and then different cinnamon roll flavors. And listen, this classic banana pudding it's pretty good too. So yeah. If you're ever in Burlington, make sure you go check out the Peach Cobbler Factory in Moements Crossing. I don't think you'll be disappointed.